Life and durability test systems often require high-power DC supplies to power multiple devices under test. Power requirements for this type of testing can be quite demanding. These facilities use temperature chambers to apply lengthy environmental stresses to the devices being tested. The Agilent N8700 series of affordable 3.3 kilowatt and 5 kilowatt supplies gives you the clean, stable power you need for these critical applications. The family offers 21 models featuring built-in voltage and current measurements, remote programmability, and outputs of up to 600 volts and up to 400 amps. Output voltage, output current, protection settings, and power on recovery states can be set from the front panel or remotely. Front panel controls can be locked out to avoid accidental changes. Output voltage and current are measured directly at the supply, thus removing the need for external current shunts. Remote sensing is especially important in these applications, where large currents can create significant voltage drops in cabling. Remote sensing compensates for these voltage drops. These true 2U high supplies have front-to-rear airflow, which allows you to stack instruments directly above or below the N8700 supply, thus saving you valuable rack space. AC line input voltage must be designated as 208 volt 3-phase or 400 volt 3-phase. In the case of the 3.3 kilowatt supplies, 230 volt single-phase is also available. These power supplies provide over temperature, over current, over voltage, and under voltage protection. In this case, the upper current limit is set to 12.2 amps. When the current draw exceeds the limit, the supply goes into constant current mode and holds the current at 12.2 amps. A remote enable feature can be used to support a fail-safe configuration. Various interlocks can be wired in series to ensure the safe application of power to your device under test. Equipped with GPIB, LAN, and USB interfaces, these supplies are LXI Class C compliant. A built-in web server provides remote LAN access to the instrument via a standard internet browser. You can set up, monitor, and control the N8700 remotely. Alternately, you can program the output voltage and current by using an external DC voltage or resistance. Need greater output power? You can connect up to 4 like units in parallel for greater output current, or 2 like units in series for greater output voltage. Need less power in a smaller package? Consider the N5700 series of 750 watt and 1500 watt supplies. These compact supplies have many of the same features as the N8700 series, but in a high-density 1U high package. The N8700 series of 3.3 kilowatt and 5 kilowatt DC power supplies provide affordable, reliable power and a high-density 2U high package, and give you the flexibility of LAN, USB, and GPIB interfaces. For further information, check the Agilent website at www.agilent.com/find/N8700 or contact any one of Agilent's many authorized distributors.